In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage project-based image folders inside. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, head over to your Creations or Library section where all your generated images are stored. Inside this area, you'll see options to organize your images into folders or projects. To create a new project folder, click on New Folder or Create Project, then give it a name based on what you're working on, like marketing ads, logos, or client work. Once your folder is created, you can start moving or saving images into it so everything stays organized. This is especially helpful if you're working on multiple designs, because you can quickly find and manage your images without scrolling through everything. You can also open each folder anytime to continue editing or downloading your saved creations. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.